Hey Brock, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in and that's something you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you'll be able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But we'll go ahead and get started. The three things that we'll be speaking about are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that's anything you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see 1,500 words on the home page of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching for when they're looking for cleaning services or lawn maintenance or tree trimming. So my suggestion with your website would be to get some more content added onto it. That's going to help out a lot. Plus, it does allow you to work in those keywords, which is another thing that truly helps out a ton when you're trying to get ranked on Google. So the next thing we'll be speaking about are going to be citations, and I have a search pulled up here, and this is usually the first thing that you'll see when you search for services. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those details. So you would want to check out where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're being found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10 and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it also helps you to rank high on the maps here. So moving along to the next thing, which is backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you all did some cleaning for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other cleaning services, other landscaping or lawn care services, tree trimming services that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. That's going to be a lot more unique, but also more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And this is one of the tools that I use here just so I can give you a visual representation. So it's not pulling up any data for your site, but here's one of your competitors. So it's showing they have 6 referring domains, which are giving them 14 backlinks, getting them found for 17 keywords, and that's driving about 59 people to their site per month. So let's see if we can take a look at the keywords that they are using. So let's see. So here's a perfect one. Cleaning services, Spring Hill, FL. This is a perfect one because it's listing the product or service or industry, and then it's listing the specific location they're trying to target. Spring Hill cleaning service. So this kind of goes to show that you can use variations of the same word or phrase, and it's still going to get counted as a whole new keyword for you. So I'm not going to bore you and have us go through all of these keywords, but I do hope this at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into that content on your site. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But then again, as we spoke about earlier, then always adding on to that, that way you are far surpassing your competitors. And that is the kind of thing that gets you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today, Brock. I do hope that this video was helpful, and if you would like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thanks again for your time, and you have a great rest of your day.